This is my Microsoft LifeCam 720, and here's my old 2012 or 2011 imac. And today I will be trying to install this webcam. I believe it's plug and play. So right now all I'm going to do is plug the USB in. We'll see how far it gets. So back here, plugging it, plugged in, and then go back to screen. See if I can see how I can test this. Maybe under going to the top left and trying system preferences, maybe. I've never done this before. I'm gonna take a break while I try to look for this. Again, I'm not an Apple expert, but I'm pretty sure you can get this LifeCam working. So I was right, and it installs the camera automatically. There's no installation involved. You just have to switch it depending on which app you want to use. So let's say on here, you can go to your, click on your desktop once, and then click to go. Oh, where's applications? Yep, like I said, I'm a rookie. So here are your applications, and 2 apps that you can change, or 3, is FaceTime, image capture, or Photobooth. I think the one thing that people often use is Photobooth. So you double click on it, open Photobooth, and right now I have my webcam disabled, but it's really easy to switch. At the top menu bar is the camera option, so just click on that, and you can see that LifeCam is automatically on there, and you can enable it. Voila! So the camera's pointing at my computer, and there it is. Super easy, no drivers or anything. Likewise, here's my FaceTime. I open the FaceTime app, and then you go to probably up here, click on video, and you can switch to Microsoft LifeCam. And so I'm pretty sure that your image capture is the same thing. So you're going to take an image at the top, one of these things. Oh, actually, maybe this is just for screen captures. But anyways, that's how you would change it for FaceTime and Photobooth.